Hey everyone, Ross from RealMattressReviews.com. Today we've got another different type of product. This is an office chair, an ergonomic office chair from Odinlake.com. So what we're going to do here today is get this thing put together, and then ultimately I'm going to give you guys my impression of the overall quality, how the chair feels and performs, and then I'll talk about if I think it's a good value or not. It comes in a box like this, via FedEx or UPS. And one thing I noticed as I was taking the parts out of the box, right off the bat, everything is metal. So up until now, I haven't had an office chair that, the main components are metal. I've only ever bought kind of cheap Amazon type, Office Max type chairs on the cheaper end, between the $150 and $250 range. So the arms are metal, the base, where the back attaches to the rest of the seat. So it's really nice to see that the components are a lot nicer. This comes in right now at $449, and that's with between $50 and $100 off is typically what you'll see on their website. You can click the link down below and you'll automatically get the best price. So for $449, you are spending a little bit more than, perhaps a cheap Amazon type chair. But for instance, I've had to buy two of those in the last 2.5 years about. One was just terrible. The arms were super flimsy. The next one I bought had a lot of good Amazon reviews, but the mechanism that keeps the chair from leaning back would not stick. So just normal body weight like this, the chair would slowly slide back. So, I spent I think I spent $279 on the last one and probably about the same price on the other one. So for $449, a little bit more than, one of those cheap chairs, but you're getting this metal components and a lot more functions on the chair. So we'll go through those once it's put together. But what I'll do first here is get it put together. I'm gonna leave the camera running. We'll speed it up. Also, you can skip ahead if you don't want to watch this. I will put a timestamp there, but I'll go ahead and get it put together. Alright guys, we've got it all put together. It only took a few minutes, and I actually made one mistake by not putting this on before I put the cover on the bottom. So realistically, you slide the arms in, put 2 bolts in, put this on the base, put 2 bolts in, put the cover on the bottom. Super simple. So everything is together. I'll just show you some of the features. The arms are all adjustable. These can go in or out, up or down. The headrest can move, the lumbar can shift around a little bit up and down, side to side. The base of the chair can move in or out. And then obviously you can tilt, goes 35 degrees. So right off the bat, as I sit down, the cushion's got a nice feel. It's got, nice solid foam on it, whereas the one that's currently in my office has a really thin foam and it starts to hurt pretty quickly. So this has quite a bit more foam. The lumbar on this one supports my back. I can move it down. The one that's on my current chair doesn't have as much adjustability, and it actually protrudes and pushes into my back quite a bit harder than this one. So I like that. The headrest I can move up. The arms we can move in or out, up or down. I think I like them up and out. And ultimately I can slide and adjust this a little bit You can lock this in so you don't recline. So it's got the kind of the basic features or in terms of how everything adjusts as most office chairs. But the overall quality, like I said, of this, it has a lot more steel than plastic, which is a nice feature. Couple other things. They recommend this for people that are 300 pounds or less, and for people that are between 4'10 and 6'4. It has Italian fabrics, high density seat foam, as I mentioned, adjustable lumbar and depth, and ultimately a nice 10-year warranty. And you can get this for $449 right now by using the link below. So I also like the mesh backs. I feel like they sleep, I'm used to mattress reviews. I feel like they stay cooler compared to a big padded kind of leather type office chair. If you have something like that, you'll find that you'll have a little bit more breathability with the mesh back chairs. So it's another feature that I like. So overall, I'm really impressed with the quality. The assembly was super easy. Pop the wheels on the base, and then there was 5 screws basically to get it all put together. So if you have any questions, drop me a message below. I'll do a follow-up on this to let you know how it's holding up. But overall, it's a very nice looking chair, as you can see. I like the colors. The quality is nice. Very nicely designed chair. So, hope you found this helpful. If you're looking for an office chair, drop me a message below if you have any questions. Otherwise, head over to realmattressreviews.com where we have tons of other great reviews and coupons to help you guys save a little bit of money. Alright guys, thanks. Hope this was helpful. Have a good day.